All right, it's Evan Schmidt with Santa Cruz Subaru, the Love Promise Coordinator and Product Specialist. Today we're going to show you some of my favorite underused features on your Subaru. If you're new to my channel, I like to make videos about everything Subaru, impart my knowledge and wisdom and everything I've learned over the last 18 years of working for Santa Cruz Subaru. If you get used to the videos, please hit the little Santa Cruz Subaru wave right there. Subscribe to the channel, like the videos. It really helps me out. Lets my bosses know that their time and money is well spent, and let me keep doing the videos for you. All right, let's get into it. All right, like we said, we're going to show you some of my favorite underused features of your Subaru. So first one is auto vehicle hold. Depending on the model you have, the year you have, how you turn on auto vehicle hold is going to be in a different spot. So the picture right there, that's going to be on the new Foresters, the 24 Foresters. It's going to be different on the 25. If you have the 11.6 inch screen and you have a software update, you might have a little button down here that says AVH, should be generally in this area. This is a brand new 2024 Outback, so it has a little bit different software, and where it's a couple places it's going to be, you could go here and turn on auto vehicle hold right there. Or my favorite one to do is I moved my auto vehicle hold icon to the main page over there so I can do that. So basically what that system is going to do is, let me get my seatbelt done here, is I'm a situational guy with this one. So if I hit traffic, I don't want to keep my foot on the brake while I'm in drive and hold my car in place. So see that auto vehicle hold guy flashing at me? I got my foot on the brake. Now I can safely release my foot and the car's not going to move. I tap the brake, and now the car is going to roll forward, and I can come to another complete stop, and auto vehicle hold is going to engage, and I can take my foot off the brake. All right, so the next one here, and it's not going to apply to all of you. Only a few models have this, and again, it's going to be in a different spot depending on the car you're in. But if you have this button that says view, it could be in several different places. What this guy's going to do, so if I'm trying to pull out of this spot I'm in right here, I might not be able to see where I'm going. I definitely can't see traffic coming through because that Forester's blocking me. So if I hit the view button, there's a little camera mounted into under the front Subaru logo on my bumper. What that's going to do is I'm creeping out and I can't see. That camera gives me a really good view of what's coming at me. And then it'll either turn off once you hit a certain speed, or you can push the view button and it's going to go away. All right, so another underused feature, and this is going to apply to any Subaru that has this kind of key. And I think the reason that people don't use this is just a lot of people don't know about it. So if I come up underneath right there, that button is a lock button. So if my car is on lock and I have the key nearby, I push that button, the entire car locks. I love this one because a lot of times this is the last place I am in my car. So I can shut the tailgate, hit that button, lock all the doors. So the next one here is your parking brake. I'm amazed how many people don't use their parking brake. Cars are heavy now. The parking brake is good for the car. So, got to use it. Just pull it up, and it's on. It says park. Manually take it off. Put my foot on the brake, and push it, and it goes off. Subaru's had this type of electronic parking brake going on 14, almost 15 years. One thing I'm amazed how many people don't know, if your seat belt is not on and you try to drive away, you're not going to go anywhere. But if your seat belt's on and I go into drive and I'm just going to tap the gas and watch the park brake turn itself off, it's turned off. I never turn mine off. I just put my seatbelt on and just drive away. Use your parking brake, people. This one is only going to apply to you guys with the 11.6 inch screen. If you push and hold this button, you hold it down, you're going to turn the entire system off. You're going to turn the radio off. You're going to turn everything off. But if you want things to still keep playing, like I'm going to turn the radio on here. Let's turn it up. I do have the ability, let's turn it down, there we go, to swipe over here. Again, mine, I changed my display off to be on the other page. I'm just going to hit the display off, and it says, screen power enough, press and hold the volume knob to turn it back on, blah, 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 blah. And there goes the screen off, but my radio's still playing. So you don't have to turn everything off to turn your screen off.